That's why I don't like play Mariana, man. The man never want to catch a life up them. Sure.
Dog.
Yo.
I can tell you something.
What one?
You not go pre me.
No, man, you, what you talking about?
Dog. You know something me eat it?
Eat what?
Me eat it, dog.
Where you eat that?
Alright, me always hear people that talk about it, dog, and like most Caribbean people, dog, me did just want to try it, so me eat it.
Where you eat, man? Where you eat? Where you talk about? You them just make man dead.
Eat it, dog.
Oh, the famous, you need somebody roti I made for Andrew yesterday? No, I'm good. Oh, Andrew, you need no more the roti?
Me alright. Me eat too much.
But I your con, you know want none of the roti? All of the roti gonna go to waste. You never want to eat the roti. Say it out your belly.
Dog, me eat it, dog. And the roti where she cook yesterday, me that tell you, my belly hurt me.
That around your belly?
Yeah.
I'm gifted like a present, but I'm so futuristic. My grow futuristic, my flow futuristic, my dough futuristic, my whole futuristic. Yes, you know if you take it down low, futuristic. And I'm the kind of guy where everybody want to know. Clean like whistle, so the gal them want for blow. The gal them want for blow, them want to take it down low. And she could only stay around if she could do it like a pro. Whoa. Yeah.